Takes just 1 minute to plant. Farmers must love this tool. Tills 8 inches deep without splashing. Gardeners must love this thing. Mango peeled clean, no wasted flesh. Factory-grade precision. Meat tied tight like a boxer's wrap. This machine doesn't mess around. Plastic tubs molded like cakes. How many seconds per piece, you think? One spin and the tree drops. That blade's insane, right? Pineapple sliced fast and even, no bruised core, no wasted peel. Robot model spins 360 degrees. Looks like a mini Iron Man, right? Threading's accurate every turn. 1 millimeter off and the part gets scrapped. Glass bottles fired red hot. What temp do you think the furnace hits? Spreads 86.42 a minute. Even Betty Crocker would be jealous. Steel mesh, perfectly aligned. Guess the margin of error per grid? Packs at lightning speed, a full order done in under a minute. Bolted that hammer handle tight, solid like mom's advice at New Year. CNC carves smooth to the tiniest detail. Think there's any margin of error? Rough wood in, smooth wood out, and in this sander's a spa day for timber. Glass cups come out flawless. What do you think the furnace temp is? Tire treads engraved like 3D art, each groove perfectly spaced. CNC cuts aluminum as precise as a CAD drawing. Sewing machine hums steady, every stitch lined up like a print. Perfect right-angle welds when even aluminum gives in. Each fold lined up perfectly, one box done in just seconds. Car lifted effortlessly. How much weight do you think it handles? Salted eggs made automatically. How many do you think per hour? Meat sliced clean. What shape do you like your cuts in? Rope twisted tight and even. Makes you want to start tying stuff. Cut steel like string. This machine's on another level. Dough balls formed perfectly, sans voix. Not a millimeter off, pro-level stuff. One press seals the water jug. No way a human could keep up.